Today, we're featuring a 2018 Peterbilt 579 Tandem highway tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with a sleeper cab with a loaded interior with double bunk, including a Esbar bunk heater and a fridge. Features a power group, leather seats, plus AM/FM CD radio with GPS navigation with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Also has a smart steering wheel. This Peterbilt features a Paccar MX-13 engine with 3.73 gear ratio, 230-inch wheelbase, low-air leaf suspension with a 13,200 front axle rating and a 40K rear. It also comes equipped with blocking rear differentials. Also features a sliding fifth wheel and quarter fenders with a chrome moose bumper. This Peterbilt is work ready for the highway. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.